Yeah, some guys have got fishing boats. Some guys like to go hunting. Some guys like to go mountain biking. I just like to work in my shed and work on my tractors. I'd like to introduce myself. I'm Ken Bill from Power Farming. I started my career as a tractor mechanic back in 1971, working for Jeff's father, Laurie Maber, in Morrinsville. And I really developed a passion for tractors, and to this day, I'm well over 50 years with the company. Some of my passions is restorations of really history of where farming in New Zealand has come such a long way in the space of 50 odd years. Even for 70 years of history in this country. Like if we take this girl here, this little tractor here, Farmall, they first started making these here in 1926, and this machine here was made in 1937. So this tractor here we're looking at now is 85 years of age. Still drives, starts. In those days there was no starter motors, it was magneto start. Perfect little tractor for all sorts of farming work, and the days of horses were certainly well forgotten. All sorts of tillage machines, they were built in the USA and Illinois and Wisconsin, and I say there's hundreds of thousands of these built. Great little tractor. We'll give her a bit of a crank up, and let's just hope we're lucky we get her started up first time. It's magneto start, so you have to crank it over. I can smell her. We'll give her a minute. And this old guy would have been all 75, and he was selling it. Would it be a bit rusty? I've got original pictures of her. He said, I'll start it for you. I said, oh, no. I said, I've started plenty of tractors before. I've got Ferguson's, you know. Ferguson's, you crank them a little bit differently. So anyway, I got in like this here, and there was nothing happening, and I was sort of getting a bit of a sweat up. And he says to me, he says, just come for a cup of tea, eh? She's flooded really bad. So we went up to the house and had a cup of tea and had a yarn, and he says, now young fella, he says, I'll show you how you start these. And hopefully this time she starts. So he says, you have to pull it over the top. Nearly